The next one, angle of repose. Angle of repose means simply we have taken out, give me the plan. So look at now here, this is an inclined plane. This is an inclined plane. Let us say here, if I place some object here, so now this is the angle. This is the angle between the board and this plant. This is the angle theta. Now here, when this is like this, now body is at rest. Now if I increase my angle, so you see this thing here, if I increase my angle, what happens now here? It will fall. That angle is called as a angle of repose. Okay, so when this is the angle, in this case, body is at rest only, isn't it? Now, if I slowly increasing the angle now here, see what happens now? It is sliding down or not? That angle is called as angle of repose. The angle of the inclined plane, the angle of the inclined plane, the angle of inclined plane with the horizontal, such that a body placed on it just to begin to slide. At some angle, the body just start to slide. That angle is called as an angle of repose. Right. This angle of repose is equal to the angle of friction. Angle of repose equal to angle of friction. Angle of repose equal to angle of friction. Right. Let us say here a block which is placed on the inclined plane, a body. So this is starts sliding when this angle is theta. Where the theta is called it as a angle of repose. Okay, that angle of repose is numerically equal to angle of friction. Right. So if I say this as a phi, phi is the angle of friction. Phi is the angle of friction. Phi is the angle of friction. Then we have the relation between them, angle of friction and coefficient of friction. That is what element of mu is equal to what element of tan phi. If the phi is the angle of friction, then coefficient of friction equal to what element of tan phi. Now here, so theta, so angle of repose equal to angle of friction only now. So that's why in this case, what I can say now, this theta equal to phi only. Here this theta equal to phi only. Right. Now if they given, so that's why we can write it as mu is equal to tan phi. That is also equal to what we can say now here, tan theta, where theta is a angle of repose. If they given theta given, we should find the coefficient of friction we can able to get. Theta and phi are equal. Angle of friction equal to angle of repose.